Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python and an environment. This keeps projects separate. Once your env is active, install Jupyter Lab or Notebook so you have the server binary. Now open a terminal, activate the environment, and run Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook. This launches the local server and prints a URL with a token. Make sure to note that token or use no browser on headless machines. Then open the provided HTTP address in your browser to continue. Once in the browser, paste the server URL and sign in automatically with the token. You'll see the file browser and launcher. Create a new notebook and explicitly pick the kernel tied to your environment so installed packages are available. Make sure to name files and organize folders. Run code cells with Shift+Enter, inspect outputs inline, and use the toolbar for restart or interrupt. Also install useful extensions slowly. Only when you understand kernels and save behavior. You're almost done. Export the notebook to share or archive, then shut down kernels you no longer need to free memory. Close the Jupyter server in the terminal or use the control panel to log out and stop sessions. If something goes wrong, check the server output for the token and port. Make sure port 8888 isn't blocked by a firewall, and confirm you launched Jupyter in the same environment as your packages. Restarting the kernel often resolves transient state issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.